researched how to buy shares of Soluna Holdings Inc., a company that pairs large-scale computing facilities with renewable energy projects. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker SLNH, and this is an educational overview, not financial advice. To trade, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading a government ID, and you will need to add funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SLNH to locate Soluna Holdings Inc. Verify that the listing is the correct NASDAQ entry for SLNH before proceeding. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the company name and ticker on the page to ensure it is the correct stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If markets are closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes. If you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio for monitoring. For a quick link to eToro and more details, see the description below.